Hello. Hey YouTube and Facebook, how are we doing today? Luke, yeah, good old Bogan chef. How is this fine day doing for you? Because it is absolutely shitty out here and raining, so what better to do than probably cook a couple of dishes and just have a bit of a game. Today, well, this little video is not even going to be long, it's just a little sauce video. It's going to be like the special sauce or the, I won't say Big Mac sauce because I'll probably fucking sue me, but yeah, I'm going to just do that, which is pretty easy, and it's, you whip it up pretty together and it's beautiful. So yeah, I'll do that for you guys and hopefully that helps you. I've got a couple of things out so it makes it a bit quicker, so I'll just run you through them. Just mayonnaise, that's all I've got in here, probably like a cup of mayonnaise, so you can see that. Get some mayonnaise in your bowl, that's the first thing you want to start with. And I've just got mustard. You want mild American, you don't want hot English mustard or anything like that. And some pickles or gherkins, but you want like the sweet ones, you don't want the spice ones and stuff like that, for obvious reasons. I've got onion as well that I'm going to put in it. You can use brown onion, red onion, you can even use onion powder if you want, it doesn't really matter. I just like to blend the onion up with the pickles and kind of use it that way. So that's why, yeah, I use a fresh onion instead of onion powder, but like I said, it's really up to you. You can put anything else in it if you want. You can throw paprika through it even if you want, I really guess, but yeah, I'm just going to give you just the basic special sauce or whatever you want to call it, recipe. So yeah, anyway, I'll just quickly dice this onion up. It's been a bastard and doesn't want to fucking peel for me. So yeah, but I'm gonna just so you don't have to do them like fine dice or anything at the moment, so I'm just going to kind of rough dice this because I'm going to shove it in this blender thing anyway, and I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to blend all mine together. I'm not going to need much because, as I said, I'm only using like a cup of mayonnaise because this is just a little one for myself. If you have like a family or you want to make a bigger one, I'd probably use maybe like 2.5 cups, or just like use one of the bigger bottles of mayonnaise. Like that'll be the go. So yeah, as you can see, I've got my onion in there. I'm going to use some pickles or gherkins, whatever. I'm going to use the sweet ones, but so yeah. And this is another thing, another little tip. See, if you get lids like this and they're really tight, just get an old shitty knife and just hit the bottom, and you'll hear the air come straight out of it, and see how it turns so easy, but don't spill all the juice everywhere. That's not good. But yeah, you can see how it just pops the air straight out of the thing, and then the lid just undoes. You don't even have to strain at all. In this little dish here, or this little sauce here, I'm probably only going to put like, I probably even only need one pickle because it's only what I said for me, but I see it's all by flavour. I'm just going to dice that up again. Well, not dice it, just roughly chop it so it dices up easier in there. So yeah, that's all in my little midget processor. It's going to be loud for a second because I'll give this a quick little blend, so give us a second if it wants to work. So yeah, pretty quickly done. As you can see, it doesn't have to be anything fine. I'm just munching it all up into one little thing. I'm going to get a little spoon so I can get this out. I'm pretty much just going to add it straight, well, I'm just going to add it straight in. There's nothing to it. Straight in here. You can have it, depends how you want it to, and how chunky you want your onion and your gherkins in your, like I said, you can blitz them straight up, like into a real fine kind of thing, so they're not even chunky as such. But I like to have a little bit of texture, and that's in mine, so that's why I just keep them like this. You could even probably just go down the street and get like a sweet pickle relish or something, so it's already kind of chopped up and done for you as well, so that will make things a little bit easier for you. But I don't know, I just like doing things this way. Gonna shove a little bit of salt in there, and now it's mustard. But all this stuff is really to taste. Like, that's why I can't give you exact measurements of how much mustard I'm putting in, because it's all how you want it to taste. You just give it a stir and have a taste, but you'll see it starts changing to the Big Mac, special sauce colour, because that's the mustard. Actually, one thing I did forget, you want a little bit of vinegar or lemon. If you've got vinegar or lemon, whack that in there. That's just that little bit of tang thing, whatever you want to tartness about it at the end of it. So yeah, that's all that little bit done. I'm just going to have a little taste of this in a second and see if I'm on the right track. So like I said, it's all taste with your mayonnaise. Move your mayonnaise. It's all taste with your mustard, just to get that right little flavour. So that little bit more. Idiot. And yeah, That vinegar, that's what changes that. As you can see, like I said, that's as easy as that is. That's a pretty easy sauce to bloody make. And yeah, like I said, just go through. We'll do it that stages, but it's just all the flavour how you want it. So just if you wanted a bit more sweeter, add a bit more pickle. If you wanted a bit more tarty, a bit more vinegar, you could add more mustard. But it's really up to the way you want it to taste. But there's the pretty much basic way of a Big Mac sauce or special sauce. Sorry, special sauce. I didn't say that. So yeah, as easy as that. I'm gonna whack it in a little sauce bottle, and I'm gonna pretty much have it over everything. I'll eat it over chips and hamburgers and steaks and everything. So yeah, that's that little special sauce video, guys. So hope it helps. Try it. If you do try it and you can't get the combination right, just write in the comments or let me know or something, and I'll put the exact recipe up, and then I'll do that for you. So yeah, that's all that little bogan video is, guys. So hope that helps. Peace out. Thanks for watching my little YouTube channel. I'll get it back up going now. It's been a while. You guys on Facebook, thanks for following me all the time. I'll be back on that a bit more. I know you have still been writing to me and stuff, so I'll get that firing up more too. So yeah, peace out and have a good day, and talk next video.